Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you already haven't met me yet, and yes, some people call me Shante. So if you don't know my name now, that means you aren't subscribed to this channel and you are new here. So why don't you just go ahead and click on that subscribe button so that you can be connected to this family, and also hit that notification bell that is just right beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know and you can be the first to watch. So I'm back again with a new video, and today's video is proudly sponsored by an online makeup and beauty store that specializes in selling makeup products. It's called TEEKA4. Yeah, the website is www.TEEKA4.com, and they sell beauty, makeup, and they're also personal shoppers. So all the products that I'll be using in today's video to create this look can be gotten from www.TEEKA4.com or on Instagram via their Instagram page at shopwithTEEKA4. I'm going to have the details right in the description box and also on the screen as I'm talking about them now. And so without further ado, let's just get into creating this look that I have for you today. So the first thing I'm going to do today is to fix my brows, and for that I'm going to be using the Hegai and Esther brow pomade in the shade Ebony. And even though this is looking like a huge mess right now, I'm going to be bringing some sanity into them with some concealer. My brows do have a mind of their own, so I'm not going to indulge them so much. I'm just going to leave them as they are and let them rock however way they want to rock. Next, I'm going to be setting the concealer under my brows with some powder, and I'm using the Milani Mineral Compact Powder for that. Moving on straight away to the eyes, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Vanity eye primer. Now I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, but it's just what the primer does. So I'm going to be going over the primer with this eyeshadow. Is also from TEEKA4. I don't know if you can see it. It's called Ulta Beauty. It's just a very small palette with only 6 colors inside. I'm going to be taking this very neutral color in there. It's called Butterfly Wings, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid space. My look today is very simple, so I'm just going to take the same color and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend that all over my transition space and my crease. This is going to diffuse the edges of the lid color and just blend that color outward. Okay, so far I have only one color all over my lid area and my transition area, and it is a matte color. So I'm going to go back into the same palette, and I'm going to take a shimmery color from that palette. This is called Peony Bouquet. I'm just going to use my fingers, tap around it, rub it to get some on my fingers, and I'm going to tap on the center of my lid with that just to give it a little bit of pop. I don't know if you can see the difference that does. It just adds a little bit of glow to the center of my eyes. Then I'm going back into the same blending brush I've been using and just blend around the color that I have just applied. This is a very simple eye makeup look. I'm not going to do much more, but I'm going to line my eyes and I'm going to put on my lashes. I'm lining my eyes with the Inglot 77 gel eyeliner. I'm tempted to extend my wings, and I'm just going to do that. Yes, so I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye. I'm applying some mascara, and this is the Zaroncosmetics mascara just before I go on and apply my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes now. So I have on the Cherish lashes, also from TEEKA4, and this is what it looks like. Now that the eyes are pretty done, I'm going to move on to my face or to my skin, and first of all I'm going to be priming my face with the Zaron face primer. Next, I'm going to be correcting with the LA Girl Orange Corrector. And I'm blending this out with a beauty sponge. Now that that is blended, I'm moving straight into the foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the Hydrate Plus Smooth one, and it's in the shade Coconut 355. This foundation is extremely lightweight. It's just going to do a little of evening out your skin tone. It's not full coverage, so you don't expect it to cover your scars or discolorations and stuff like that. And that is why you can still see that a lot of my scars are peeking through, but I don't mind. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the ColourPop's concealer just a little bit under my eyes, my chin area, my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, and just a little on my forehead. I'm going to take the opposite side of the blending sponge that I've been using, and I'll start by blending out the one on my chin and my forehead area. So back to the foundation side, I'm just going to use that to blend out the outer corners. And to set my under eyes, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. For contour, I'm using the Blackopal stick foundation. This is in the shade Black Walnut. To set that, I'm using the Maybelline powder in Cacao. So I'm going to dip back into the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to do a little bit of reverse contouring. And I'll also apply some powder on my smile lines. Back to my under eyes, I'm going to be lining my eyes with the same Inglot and gel eyeliner. And I'm also going to be extending this a little bit out just to give me some more cat eye effect. Yeah, this is what we have so far. And then I'll apply a bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. Now that I'm pretty much done with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some powder all over my face. And I'm going to be using the Milani Minerals Compact Powder to just wipe off all the excess powder and everything. For highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Illuminator. This is in the shade 100. And I'm going to be using a little of the Sleek Blush in the color Flushed. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with a regular brown lip liner. And then I'm going to be using this NYX lip cream. It's a soft matte lip cream. I don't know what shade it is. The shade just peeled off, but it's like a pinky nude color. And to finish up everything, I'm going to be spraying my face, but I'm not going to be using my regular spray. I'm going to be mixing the Inglot Sparkling Dust into my setting spray just to get like an illuminating spray, and that is what I'm going to be spraying my face with to give me that dewy and glowy look. So we have that in here, and I'm just going to shake, 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 shake. And now that I'm sure the particles are well distributed inside, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with that. And while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and fix my hair, and then I'll be right back. So I'm back, guys, and this is the finished look. I packed my hair like to the center of my head and applied this pony that I got from Natural Girl Wigs on Instagram. They sell like natural hair products, and they sell like natural hair wigs and just accessories for we natural hair girls. And that is how I came about this hairstyle that I have on right now. As I said earlier, all products used to create this look and in today's video were gotten from TEEKA4, so you want to check out their page right away and get your authentic makeup and beauty products. If you also would like them to shop for you, they're also available to do that, and they offer that service at a very, very minimal cost. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you like this look and you can recreate yours. It's a very, very simple look, and I wanted the bit of a healthy glow and the radiance to it. That was why I used the illuminating spray. With that being said, I guess it's time to say goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hello, my name is Chime, and you're listening to the NCS Alpha Mix. My track from the album is called Phototropic, which is a word to